Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome and thanks for stopping by. Today I'm going to be making fried bakes or floats as some would call it. Some islands have their own idea of what a bake is or should be. I embrace them all. Sit back and relax, enjoy this recipe guys. It is delicious. Whatever you call it in your neck of the woods, we're doing it today. To a clean bowl, I'm adding some all-purpose flour, some granulated sugar. I'm going to go in with some baking powder and some salt. I have some margarine here. Now you want to mix it all together. Make sure it's well combined. Rub the butter into the flour. I'm using ice cold water. You want to add your water gradually. Bring it all together, fold and tuck to form a nice smooth dough. Do not overwork your dough. The dough is not sticky, it is perfect. Cover with a damp paper towel or kitchen cloth and let it rest for half an hour. Lightly flour your work surface and divide your dough into small balls. Lightly flour your rolling pin and you want to roll them out. You don't want them to be thin like you're making roti. You can roll all at once, so you can just focus on frying once you're finished, or you can roll and fry. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can use your fingers to just press the dough out until you reach desired thickness. I use a rolling pin sometimes. If I'm feeling too lazy, I just use my fingers. No big deal. Make sure your oil is hot. I'm going to deep fry these on medium heat. You don't want to turn up the stove too high, else they will burn. Look at that, guys. Just floating around. That's one happy bake. Spoon some hot oil over it. This will help the bake to rise. Or you can just keep flipping them. That works too. You can either spoon the hot oil over them or just keep flipping them. Work both ways. Look at that. Just puffing up. Oh my God. The fluffiness. If you like your bake pale, well, you can remove it at this point. It is completely cooked. Or you can go a little bit darker. Doesn't really matter. That's up to you. I'm just going to keep going until I'm finished. I'm going to drain them on some absorbent paper. Then I'm going to enjoy these bad boys. Look at that. I want to be as happy as a bake floating in hot oil. Look at that. Just happy. Blessed baby Jesus. These are beautiful. Look at them. They are nice and soft and fluffy. Well, I ate one, the first one. Yes, I just couldn't resist. The inside is nice and silky. Look at that. I'm going to cut into one, show you what's going on. Look upon that. Watch niceness. Oh my God. Look at that. Look at that. Look at the inside. Look at it. Mm-mm-mm. Nice and silky. Oh my God. Hi. Hey. Hello. How are you? Oh, look at that. Oh my God. I am so happy. I'm so happy they turn out so well. I have some Jamaican callaloo that I steamed, and I'm gonna fill this with it. You can use whatever stuffing you want, whatever vegetable you have at hand, or you can use saltfish. It is delicious with fried saltfish. I just love me some nice float, bake, whatever you want to call them. I love them. You can stuff this with curry chicken. Well, I do. Don't judge me. I eat these with whatever I want. Corned beef, even sardine. Oh, you can have these with scrambled eggs and bacon, a little cheese. They're yours. Enjoy your bake with whatever. I'm gonna test this now. Look at that. Mm, Guys, you have to try this recipe. Look at that. I'm just so happy they turn out so well. No, it's not the first time, but I'm excited. You have to try this recipe. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.